YouTube, I'm be showing you guys how you guys remove and replace your valve cover grommets. First thing you want to do is you want to pop them out. I've had these in the sun for a while, and it's about 105 in California today in Fresno. So you're going to want to just pull off the grommet and do that for all of them. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean off the mating surface with a little Scotch-Brite pad, and just do that for all of them. And give them a little clean. I want to clean the mating surface in here as well. What you're going to want to do is you want to put your grommets in a warm area. It's about 100 out here in Fresno, California, so they're nice and warm. That way they get a little flexible and they're easier to put on. Now that they're warm and flexible, what you're going to want to do is spray some spray lube. And that should just make it easier for it to pop through, just like that. And just do that for all of them. Now that you got them all on there, just pop them in. Just pull them on from the back. That is how you remove and replace your valve cover grommets on your LS motor.